Look what I got myself stuck in. Ew, the snow. Okay, the snow. Ow. Whiskey! Look, who's that? Is that? Okay, let's go. Where's Whiskey? I'm going over here. What's going on? See how deep it is? It's up to my knees right here. Whoa. It's hard to walk in. So, this is what my backyard looks like right now. In the storm. And here's my house. There's a 4-house place, whatever. And bye. The video is done. So, yeah. It is really snowy in the backyard, and I don't know. I'm just gonna go now. And there's Whiskey. Say bye. Whiskey, Whiskey, what's that? What's that? Whiskey, say bye. Oh my God. Okay, bye.